Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to wrap a text around a subject. Open your image and go to Select, then choose Subject. This will automatically select your subject. Then again, go to Select, but this time choose Modify and then Expand. In the Expand box, input at least 30 pixels. Next, let's smoothen the marquee lines by going to Select and choosing Smooth. Then input around 30 pixels. Now, right-click on your subject and choose Make Work Path. Next, use your text tool and click on the path. Then you can start typing the text. You may play around with the text color, font, spacing, sizing and more. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.